Hello guys, this is Jason from Mytanfeet, and first of all, I would like to thank you for reading our blog and for checking our Costa Rica car rental discount. On this video, I would like to show you how to use the online reservation system and hopefully help you to find the car that you're looking for your Costa Rica vacations. As you all know, we have an exclusive agreement with Adobe Rent a Car. They are 100% Costa Rican company, and they have the largest and the newest fleet in the Costa Rica car rental market. That's one of the main reasons why we choose to partner with them. Then we have a list of exclusive benefits for all Mytanfeet readers, and you can find them right here. And we are always looking and negotiating for better deals for our readers. So let's start. So this is probably the box that you're looking at your screen right now, and it's the first option right here is the pickup option. So the first thing that you need to do is just click on this combo box, and then you will see all the possible pickup locations. You got Liberia, San Jose are the two most common ones because the main airports are here. But Adobe Rent a Car, they have 17 different offices. So you can choose at any of their offices. So first, you choose the office. Let's say Liberia. Then you choose the date. Let's say that, today is January 25th. So let's choose February 12th, which is my birthday. And let's say that you guys are going to do 1 week from the 12th to the 17th, and that you guys will return on the same airport. Then you can just choose the time, according to your flight or to whatever time you want to stop to the office. Now, as a side note, one of the Mytanfeet readers' benefits is free car delivery. So if by any chance you are staying at any hotel in Liberia or in Guanacaste on the Conchale area, or anything around any of the Adobe offices, you can get free delivery and pick up into your hotel. So you don't have to go to the airport or you don't have to go to the office. The schedule for the service is from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And it's very convenient because if, for example, if you are arriving very, very late at night and you have a free shuttle, and from your hotel, we can have your car delivered right on the lobby of your hotel at no extra cost. So that's just one of our benefits. Okay, so let's see how this works. So once you have the dates and the location, you just have to click on go. Once you click on go, you are going to see all the available cars for these dates. Well, right now we are on the peak of the high season, and these are right now the available models for the specific dates and the specific location. Now, if by any chance you don't find the car that you are looking for here, please email us to hello@mytanfeet.com because we have access to all the inventory that Adobe Rent a Car has, and sometimes they don't list every single car they have here. So we have to do it internally and manually. So please, if you don't find the car you're looking for, just email us and we will do our best, to find you the car you need. So let's say that you want to get this Hyundai Creta 4x2 automatic. So you just have to click on the car. Let's say that that's the car that you want. We also have a video for every single car that Adobe Rent a Car offers. You can find the link below in this article. So if you want to see how the Hyundai Creta is, or how the Tucson is, or any of the cars that Adobe offers, we have a video where you will be able to see how much luggage you can put in, how big they are, and hopefully that will help you to decide which car is the best for you. So on this other window right here, you're gonna see different numbers. So let me explain to you what every number means. So first, 7 days at, this is the rental rate, okay? So in this case, for a week, and the high season for this car is $273.60. This is the car rental rate. Then this other option right here where it says option selected, they are for the insurance. So let me explain to you a little quick how insurances work with Adobe Rent a Car. We also have a detailed article about all these insurances, what it covers, and we know that sometimes it can get very tricky. The insurance, car rental insurance here, but with Adobe, it's very simple, and we try to make it even simpler for you. So this is the only insurance that is mandatory, the liability protection. Okay. To be honest, you always need to get this insurance. This one is the liability, and this section right here that it says like property with 20% deductible. This is for regular clients. Okay, this is another benefit for all Mytanfeet readers. You guys will not pay the 20% deductible for liability. Okay, this is exclusive for Mytanfeet readers. I know that you guys are looking it over here, but this is the template for general clients. All Mytanfeet readers, it will be 0% liability deductible, and this matter up to $20,000. Okay, that's how it works. Then the car protection insurance, you can actually waive this insurance if you click, if you click it out. You can actually waive this insurance if your credit card company offers, the car rental insurance. The only thing that you need to do is bring a letter, and that is completely up to you. In case, hopefully, nothing will happen, but in case of an incident, your credit card company will be the one, taking care of the damages of the card. If you don't have that, I recommend it, to get it. You'll have to get it if you don't have it with your credit card company. Okay, that's very common. A lot of our readers, they waive this insurance. Then the extended protection insurance is 100% optional. And you can read more about this insurance. It's pretty much a coverage up to $4 million. You don't get any deductible. And it just covers for vandalism, windows, tires. And, we have an article. You can find the click below, and you will find all the answers. And if you have any questions about the insurances, please let us know. We always try to make it very, very simple. Okay, so those are the three types of insurances that Adobe offers. Liability is mandatory, car protection is optional, and for those who has the credit card insurance, that is very common in the US and Canada, and the extended protection is 100% optional. Okay, so now here, this is the other additional options. You can get GPS. Well, the normal price is $9. All Mytanfeet readers, they get it at $6 a day. That's an exclusive discount for us. You can choose as many booster seats or baby seats you need. You just have to click on them, or you can just leave a comment right here saying how many you need. We will need to know the weight of the kid and how old your baby is in order to provide you, the best chair. Anyways, once you get into the office, there's going to be a huge variety of chairs, and Adobe, they professionally clean every chair after, anyone uses it. So that's for, for your own security. Now, that's here with the additional options. For Wi-Fi is $10 a day. This is an unlimited Wi-Fi. It's actually a very good device. It goes up to 6 megabytes speed. It's not that bad. I mean, you can definitely work with this thing. And our promo is, for example, if you're going to be here for 2 weeks, let's say like 14 days, you will only pay for 10 days. So it doesn't matter how many days you rent, like over 10, you will only pay 10 days. So if you get the Wi-Fi for like a month, you only want to pay $100. That's our, one of the deals that we have. Then we have here the pickup options. You can choose like the Adobe Rent-A-Car options. You see here, you can just choose any of these offices right here. You can just put, whatever office you need. Then if you are arriving at an airport, which is one of the most common places where you're going to pick up the car, Just click here, select your airline, put your flight number. This is very, very important. We have also a couple of videos where you will see where exactly the Adobe Rent-A-Car agent will be waiting for you. So you can find all this information in this same article. Then you can choose a specific location. As I was telling you before, if by any chance you're staying in any hotel in San Jose downtown, or Liberia downtown, or any of the towns, you know, like Playas del Coco or Tamarindo, or you know, any of the most popular towns, just type the name of the hotel here, and I don't know, you can put like hotel, I don't know, Holiday Inn, and once you type this, the Adobe company, they will know that they will have to deliver the car at the Hotel Holiday Inn Express or the Aurora. And this is free of charge for all Mytanfeet readers. And remember, it has a delivery time, 4:30 to 4:30. We can do some exceptions for that too. Just email us at hello at mytanfeet.com, and we will be more than happy to take care of it. Now, so three possible pickup locations at any office, airports, and a specific location. All right. Now for the driver's information, just put your first name and last name here. The ID or passport number is not required, but it'll be up to you if you want to put it in. Then the phone number is important too, just in case we need to contact you. And email address is the most important piece of information that we need, because we will be sending you all the information via email, and we will just gonna keep you update about your reservation. Then your country of origin, you can choose whatever country you're from. Now, on your comments here in this area, you can just request anything in particular, or if you have any questions about the car rental, just leave it over there, and we will be more than happy to answer it. We have an exclusive agent at Adobe Rent-A-Car. We have a Mytanfeet agent over there, and he always takes care of our readers like very quickly. And me and Samantha, we're always on top of every single reader. For those of you who already rented with us, you guys know that I personally take care of everyone who rent a car with Adobe. Then, as you guys know, we give 2 free drivers, and we give a free cell phone, and free coolers too, roof racks, and to whatever you need, you can add it here into the comments. There is no need to add the name of the second driver. Regarding the surf racks, we can only install the surf racks on certain cars. Most of them are the SUVs or the mid-size SUVs, and above. For compact sedans, we don't have racks at this moment. Probably we will have them in the future, but at this moment we don't have it. You can just leave your comment right there, or email us, and we'll be happy to answer them. Now, the Adobe Rent-A-Car system, sometimes you're going to find some errors and some mistakes here. Like, what I mean with mistakes is, this is a live system, and if somebody right now is taking the same car, whoever clicks on reserve first, it's going to get the car. And just remember, you have to click on reserve to make the reservation. If you click on save quotation, you are not going to save the car for you. The only thing that you're going to get, it's an email with the price of the car. That's it. Then this quote is not going to work as a reservation. You need to click on reserve to secure your car. So any error that you find over here, you might find like invalid rate, or once you click reserve, it's not that the rate is invalid, it's because somebody else made the reservation, and probably there are no more Creta involved. Another very common situation that you will face on the system is that the system is going to take you to a login page. For example, it's going to look just like this. You see something like this. If you see something like this, it says corporate logon, you will have to go back to the car rental section and just click again. And then just do everything here. in order for you to, to make sure that you are getting the discounted rate and all the benefits, you will see here, welcome Mytanfeet. They are just welcoming all Mytanfeet readers. And just, just choose the car again and put the information. Those are going to be like the most, the mainly two things that you're going to face on the system. If you have any questions, or if you face, like any message that you don't get into the system, just try to go back and do it again. And if you get it again, just email us, and we will fix it like right away. We are always on top of this. And it's very rare that you see like a weird message, like more than once. Usually it's just the timeout user that it happens, the system just kick you out. Or somebody else is taking the same card, or Adobe is changing the, the rates, or somebody is working on their system. So that is pretty much how you can use this system. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we hope this video can help you to give you a better idea. And just remember, email us if you have any questions, hello@mytanfeet.com, and thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.